That means here we are writing a function, add click. On add click, first we will collect the data. So we are creating var, and one is txt name, document get element by id txt name dot value. Okay, var txt price, document get element by id txt price dot value, and var txt photo, document get element by id txt photo dot value. Now here I am just using an alert. First I will create var product is an object. Into object, it's an object. In that we have name property. It comes from txt name. And price, it comes from txt price. And photo, that comes from txt photo. Now I will first here alert. You have a method called JSON.stringify. This JSON.stringify is a method which is used to read the values and written in a JSON form. So product, that product need to be returned in JSON form, whatever the data you collected. So let's see that. Now you have the product name, suppose Lee Cooper boot. Product price, okay. Then choose file. I select here a file. And I am selecting some the folder location. So this is full stack, and I have assets. In that we have shoe1 and open. And when I click on add product, you see it returns this. It returns this name, price, and photo. You can see that photo is actually, price is a string, and photo is returning the path, and you see that is the fake path. So some C:/ some fake path. In that we have shoe1.jpg. That's a string actually. So the string is accessing this location. After slash we have to access it. That means I don't need this because this physical path is not valid. I need only virtual path. And the price should be in a number form. Then you know that this price should not be in string because it is coming from text box. It will be in a number form. So then what we do is here we are configuring. Price is nothing but price. So I will define the price as number. You know how to convert, parse float. And we need to convert that txt price. Now it will be in a number form. That's very important. And the photo, whatever the photo is coming, that's not the correct value coming. So how we can get the path? So how we can configure it? We learned several string functions. By using the string functions, if I have to access that photo and display by using the string functions, actually it is returning a fake path. And we have the fake path defined like this, C://. So fake path slash assets. So assets slash. So we have the option like shoe1 .jpg. Now tell me how to access, how we can access that assets and show one .jpg from this string. Can you give any suggestion for that? How we can access that? How we can access? How we can access that? You learned string functions, na? Directly substring will come. String will come. Directly substring is going to display. How you configured that? When you are accessing the path, how you get it? Are you trying or waiting for my answer? Huh? I asked you a question, right? So have you seen how it is returning first? That's what the point is. That means I will save this now. Enter the name, some name and the price and some photo, something. And when I add, you see here, it is getting that fake path. I need only the file name. Later we will put the assets. So the file name in that path, that means the fake path is not returning this assets directly, fake path and this. So fake path and this. How you can extract? So double slash, it is returning double slash, fake path. Now tell me how we can extract only the file name. First, you can here split at this particular location, or can we get like this index, last index of double slash? What do you say? Huh? Can we get last index of double slash? After getting last index of double slash, so we can get the substring and access the value from that particular index. So see what I am doing here. Double slash it is returning. So what I am defining here is I am using rough where path is equal to txt photo dot last index of double slash. Now in that, so that is this is index, that means slash index number it will return. So I will first get the name of that particular, from that index number we need to read. Then what I will do is txt photo dot substring, and here we have to get txt photo dot last index of double slash, so +1. I am using that +1, and that is the path. So temporarily, first I am alerting that path for your reference sake. Path, only path I am alerting. That means I need to access that path and display. Only the path I am accessing. Now you see here, that is the choose file and earpods, and click on add product, earpods.jpg. We are accessing that. That's why we learned string functions. So we learned string functions for that reason only. But before that, we need / assets / plus that name. Why? Because generally in our server, the photo is present here. So we need to get that photo and display. Remember, you are not uploading a photo from database and server and all. Just this is only client side. So we have to make sure that that photo is selected into array. We are pushing this into array. We are not uploading a photo here. Remember, we are selecting a photo and adding into this array. That means make sure that those photos are there in your project. That's very important. And from there you can access and use them. So now see path how it will return. So I select here, so some shoe one, and I click on add. Then it says / assets / shoe1.jpg. That's what it is returning. Now this path, so we will use here. Path. And now I am using JSON.stringify. So that product. JSON.stringify the product. And you see now I am entering the name. So some Lee Cooper boot, some price, some choose here and open. And add product. You see the assets shoe.jpg. Now this is the product object. This product object must be pushed into this array. If you want to push that into array, then the array name is products. Products.push. Which one to push? The product. After pushing the product, then we have to alert saying that, so new product added successfully. And after that, we have to load the data one more time. And before loading, this tbody should not reload again and again. tbody.inner.html, keep it empty. And load this, call that method one more time. That means call the load products method one more time. We are calling the load products method one more time. Now you see here, so we are defining. So two products already there here. And I am defining the name, Lee Cooper boot, the price, choose file, and the shoe, and open, and add product added successfully. Okay, the new product is added into that location. And the photo we are doing from, after that you can clean them up. Already we learned that. So this is configuring and adding data dynamically. Here we have seen how to upload a photo, how we can push the photo into that array, getting the path, configuring it, and defining it. So suppose I am adding like shirt and some price, and here choose file, and I selected some shirt.jpg, and I click add product added successfully. Shirt is also added into the list. We are dynamically adding the data into the table. You can put a model. Through the model, you can pop up this, select that, add. Already we saw some example. So this is dynamically configuring data table and use images, uploading. That is very complex option. So dynamically, this is an example of dynamically handling data. So you can say JSON data. That will be right. So this is a simple example for that. That's a simple example here. I will copy that. And this is the example for that. How you can configure and work with the data. I hope you are clear with this. And clear means after practicing only you will be clear. You need to practice this. And if you can able to do this by yourself without copy pasting my code, then you are perfect in this. So that is why we have learned a lot of string functions and all to manage various interactions. Now, this is dynamically configuring the product objects, adding the data into the array and manipulations, creating the table dynamically. Now, once you know this, now we can do complex operations. Now, some other data types that we will see in the next session. Okay. Monday, we will discuss about that. So this you need to practice very well. Based on this, I will give you a task and you have to try the task and handle it. I will give that task into the classroom and post it. You check that. You have to try that task according to this concept. Okay. Then Monday we will continue with that and handle it. Right. Yeah.